Hey girl, hey, it's me Desiree, and for today's video I will be showing you guys how I have been doing my nails while we are in quarantine. I know some of the nail salons have been opening up, probably all of them, but I personally will not be going to the nail salon just because I don't want to risk it, not for just myself but for other people around me that can't necessarily handle getting sick, okay? Period. So you're gonna see, I'm showing you guys my little crusty nails, and I'm gonna show you guys some of the things that I have bought that are very affordable. But let's be real, let me give you some teases. All you need is the nails, the glue, and a nail file, baby, and you straight. So you could be very affordable doing this. And I'm that girl that would get my nails done every 2 weeks. Okay, I was always in the nail salon, but I am seriously considering not returning to the nail salon. Like, I'm so serious, you guys. So I have been doing this and I have been loving it. So stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so the first thing that I'm going to be showing you is this little drill. I got this out of Target. It is battery powered and it came with batteries in it. And it was literally like $9. I want to say like after tax, like $10 and change. And yeah, I got this out of Target. I think you can order some of these off of Amazon as well. And then it does come with, as you guys, I'm being extra. I'm showing you that how you can turn it on. And it also came with these little heads for it. I have the buffer one on it and I already lost one. Surprise. So yeah, that's the first thing that I have. And the next thing I got is this little nail kit. I got this off of Amazon. I cannot remember how much it was. I will probably put it up on the screen for you guys, how much this costed. It was very affordable though. I want to say between $12 and $15. $15. And it came with quite a few tools. I bought this like very early in the game for press-ons, and I've been using it on and off. So it came with a lot of stuff. It came with like some tweezers, and one thing I really like that it came with is this little cuticle trimmer. So it makes it very easy to trim your cuticles. Hey, look, so I'm gonna do a little demonstration. I already did all my cuticles on my nails, so I'm not going to be doing that in this video. And you don't have to do that when you do press-ons, sis. All you need is a file and some glue and the press-ons. You don't really have to do the cuticles and all that stuff because these aren't like your traditional nails. Then it also comes with the other cuticle thing that I've never used, because that little clamp thing, girl, I'm not doing all that. That seemed too much. That is entirely too much. But you do not have to get this. I'm just showing you guys some of the tools that I use. So what you will need is going to be a nail file. You need one, okay, sis? We all got a nail file somewhere. They're cheap. You can buy some for cheap. Like, I think like you could buy like 12 of them for like $1 or something. You need a nail file, and I say that because even if you don't have a buffer, you can do what I'm doing here and just use the file to roughen up the surface of your nail, which is very important. And so yeah, and then if you don't have a nail file, you can also use a buffer. You need one or the other, okay? If you don't have both, use one or the other, okay? You just need something to get the surface of your nail rough, okay? We ain't got to get no fancy tools. The little drill I use, I don't have to use it, but I'm just extra, so I use it anyway. And then you can use the cuticle to push your cuticles back, and then kind of use the file to file your cuticles down if they really do bother you like that. But it don't really matter like that because they're press-ons, sis. Like, they're press-ons. And then I'm going to show you guys the glue that I use. I use the Kiss glue. This glue you can get out of the beauty supply store. You can get out of Walgreens, out of Target. It's very affordable. It's very cheap, and it works good. I don't use the glue that came with these nails that I'm going to show you. I use the Kiss glue. It works fine. The nails stay on pretty good, and I don't really have problems with them coming off. So use the Kiss glue. You ain't got to get no fancy glue, period. Okay, and these are the nails that I will be using today. It's going to be the ones in the second row. You already know, you've seen the thumbnail, sis. And I did get these nails from a company called Nail Bay LA. Let me tell you about this company, girl. We're going to talk about this company. The shipping literally took like 2 months, and I'm not the only one that had this issue. I know you guys know who Chef B is here on YouTube. She said she waited for a long ass time for her nails too, so they need to get that together. The nails are cute, but I'm not sure if it was worth waiting 6 weeks for these damn nails. No, not 6 weeks, 8 weeks, like 2 months for these damn nails. I literally ordered these nails like 3 weeks after quarantine, and I got them like a week ago. Like, stop it. And then this is the nail glue that came with the nails, but I'm not going to use this. Yeah. Okay, so we about to get down to business. We about to put these little nails on, okay, and get it popping. Okay, so the first thing, I'm just going to show you guys a few things that I do to customize these nails for myself. I am a size large in these nails, and because I have fat ass fingers, just like I got fat ass toes, I got fat fingers, okay? So I am a size large, and as you can see, like I don't know if you guys can see, but the bottom of the nail is a little curved. And if you look at my cuticles here, my nail beds and my cuticle, like they're straight, so they're not like that curved, like because I got fat wide fingers. They're more on the straight side than curved. So I'm just gonna take the nail file and I'm just gonna file down that bottom just a little bit, not too much. I'm not gonna go too crazy, but that curve just kind of like, if I was to leave it like that, it's gonna poke down into my nail bed, and I don't like that. So that's something I'm gonna do. Like, if the nail is too big for you, file it down, okay? I'd rather it be too big than too small, because if it's too small, then you can't add to it. So if you're not sure about your size, if you go a little bit larger, you can always file it down a little more to fit your nail. Okay, and then also the nails can be a little curved. So here you see me pushing it down to get it a little bit more flat so that it doesn't fit too snug on my finger. So they can be very curvy. And see, here you see on the left is very curvy, and the one on the right is more straighter. That way when you put on your nail, it's not super tight and it won't hurt your nail. So that's another little tip, sis. And these are just little ways you can customize your nails. Now, if you get the press-ons out of like the like a Target, because I've been wearing press-ons for Target too, girl. Those can be a little more flimsy, so you won't have to do all of this. You can still file them down, but they're not going to be that like curve, and they're not going to be as thick as these nails. I think they do have like the jelly ones though that might be kind of thicker, so that's still a tip you can use for those. And those nails are very affordable, and they still cute, So now I'm just going to go through all of the nails, and I'm going to repeat those same steps. I'm going to make sure they fit comfortably. I'm going to make sure they fit my nail bed the way I want them to fit. That way when I go to apply them, it is just buff, glue, and go. You feel me? Okay, so now here, as you can see, I have all of the nails prepared and ready to go. So I'm just showing you guys how you can use the nail file or the buffer to prepare your nail for the press on. Just make sure, it's very important that you just get the surface of your skin, not of your skin, of your nail rough. That will make the nail stick, okay? You don't want no little smooth nail. You don't want no smooth nail, sis. You want that surface nice and rough so that the nail will stick, okay? So what I do, I just use a combination of that little buffer tool and the nail buffer to get the surface of my nail very rough, okay? And then I literally just put like a drop of nail glue and I spread it around, as you can see, okay? You don't want too much, and then you're gonna put a little bit on the press on nail, Yeah, don't do too much because then it's gonna all spill out, and then you'll get glue on your finger, and then you'll get the glue that's on your finger on the nail, and then that's gonna mess the nail up a little bit. How do I know this? Because I did it so many times. And then so here we go, we're gonna apply, and you don't have to hold it for too long. I just like to, and see, girl, I be fucking up still, but I just like to apply it, make sure it's straight, because yes, I have put nails on Cricut before. Okay. And once that nail is on, baby, it's on. You're gonna have to like soak it off, okay? It's not coming off, like, especially like freshly on. And there you go. As you can see, I have the nail on. She is on. She's looking good. I don't know why I'm still holding it, because you really don't have to hold it for that long. Probably like 6 to 7 seconds. And look, it looks so good, you guys. Look at that. Press on who? Press on who? Press on where? Like, I was already feeling it with this little pinky, as you could tell. Like, I was like, ooh, pinky who? And then I just like to take the glue, and I like to, since these are longer nails, I just like to go underneath on the other side and put like a drop of glue there, because they're longer. But if they are shorter, you don't have to do this. But since these are like some long nails, sis, then I would suggest doing that so that the nail won't lift up there. And then I'm just going to repeat all steps, those same steps, for the rest of the nails. I think I'll just go ahead and let you guys see me do one more nail. So I'm going to buff it with the buffer, and then I'm going to use the little buffer to buff it, and then I'm going to apply the glue, and then I'm going to apply the nail. And that's pretty straightforward. If you don't have a buffer, if you don't have that little machine, use a nail file. Use the nail file to get the surface of your skin rough. Put the glue on there and put the nail on, and you good to go, sis. And that's on period. That's on who? That's on nail salon where? That's on no. Corona, no. I rebuke you. So let me shut up. I'm just gonna let you guys watch this. And yeah. By the way, if you still here, girl, hey, how you doing? I'm glad you're enjoying the video. Go ahead and subscribe, like this video, comment, share. Thank you for staying tuned. I hope I helped you, and we gonna avoid corona while still being cute. No Rona nails, period. Subscribe. Bye. Also, I found some Black-owned press-on nail companies, so I will be sure to link those down below. Y'all go check them out, because why not? Okay, why not? Period. Okay, so boom, so period. So here is the final result. I think they came out really cute. I'm not gonna lie, I'm not even gonna hold you, like, these nails are really cute. Nail Bay kind of did that. I'm just really disappointed that I had to wait 2 whole months just to get my fucking nails. Okay, like, they need to figure something else out. Like, put a limit on orders, do a ordering time window, something, sis, something. But these are so cute. It's so simple. It's so easy to do. I'm seriously reconsidering going back to the nail salon. If I'm gonna be real with you, I'm being real with you. And I'm that girl that stay up in the nail salon. So yeah. But with that being said, let me know what you guys think about this video down below. I hope I was able to help, give some tips. You know, the press-ons is a new wave, sis. The press-ons is a new wave. But don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, all that shit. Turn your post notifications on so that you are notified when I am posting. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.